Hi quilters, it's Pam Heller with AccuQuilt. So one of the things I love about AccuQuilt is that we have a variety of strip dies. And we wanted to make sure in our Celebrate studio that we had a new multi-sized strip die just for you in studio. So this is our multi-strips. So let me talk to you a little bit about our strip dies. So strips are great because you can either make them for borders, binding, sashing, all sorts of uses, or you can make our great table runner here. It's called Quilter's basket. So it kind of looks like we've been weaving with our basket. So look here, we have two different colorways. So here's an example of one colorway, and here's the example of the other colorway. So the centers are changed. So keep in mind, quilters, we've used all 4 sizes of strips on our strip die. So let's show you how we're gonna cut this together. So first, when I come here, first of all, let's talk about this strip die. It doesn't have two-tone foam. Two-tone foam is so when you have lengthwise grain, you can line up the fabric perfectly, but on our strip dies, we don't have two-tone foam. Also, with our strip dies, you're not gonna cut on the lengthwise grain, because when you cut strips, do you cut on the lengthwise grain? No, you cut right off the edge of the bolt of fabric. So that's what we have done here. We've given you enough space that you can use the whole width of fabric to cut all of your pieces. Also with our studio dies, you can cut up to 10 layers, which is so great because then you can cut tons of strips in just one pass. So since we're going to use all of the different sizes of strips, let me show you how we kind of rough cut and subcut the sections so that you're not wasting any fabric. So right here we have 2 sections of 3/4 inch. That is so tiny. So we just took 3/4 and 3/4 is 1.5. So we just rough cut 2 inches off the edge of our bolt. Okay, again, it doesn't have to be straight, just rough cut it. The next section is 1 inch. So there are 2 sections of 1 inch. So I've just cut 2.5 because again, we just want to add 1/4 inch on either side. The next section is 1.5 inches. So I just did 3.5. And the last section are those 2-inch strips. So I just did a 4.5 inch rough cut. So remember, as you're laying your fabric down on your strip die, you have to abide by the 10-layer rule. One section can't have more than 10 layers. So quilters, typically when I am cutting strips, I'm gonna cut with that folded edge going through the fabric cutter first. It just keeps the fabric a little more stable as it's running through the fabric cutter. So I'm gonna take and put this in our tray. Then we're gonna take some great cutting plastic right here, put it on top, and turn the handle. So, you know, we always talk about AccuQuilt is 90% faster than with rotary cutters or scissors. I think that is so true when we're cutting strips, because how hard is it to cut strips straight every single time? But with a die, you're always gonna cut them straight. Give it a little love, slide this mat off, don't lift. And ta-da, we have cut perfect strips. But I'm gonna show you something which is so fun. Look, 2 inches on this side, 2 inches on this side, and look, no mountain in the middle, okay? So if you're lining up your fabric strips perfectly, they're gonna cut perfectly every single time. So now you would just take your strips. All right, so I'm gonna move this out of here so we can take the strips off and you can see how we're gonna line them up. So remember, we have 2 different colorways. So the blue is always going to be here on the outside. Move this down so you can see how we build it. So here's the blue, and then you're gonna have a little green strip. And then you're gonna have a tiny little white strip. Okay, you go cut these with your rotary cutter perfectly. All right, and then we'll do the center here, we'll do the big orange strip. So quilters, what you would then do is continue to build out the strip and then sew them together. Now you'll notice that I still have my strips folded in half. I don't really have enough space here on our table to show you how those strips look, but for sure you want to lay those strips flat, sew them together, follow the pressing instructions that are on the pattern, and then you're going to cut these fun little 5.5-inch squares. And then you're going to take those two colorways and make this really fun table runner. So look how cute this is. Talk about a fast weekend project. In fact, I bet you could make it in a day. Quilters, we'd love to see your finished projects. You can post them at AccuQuilt.com, and at AccuQuilt we help you cut time so you can quilt more.